So Jackson Lotto Lewis Life Celebration Center, we're always looking for ways to be out in the community and an asset and a resource to those we serve. So we have another program offered to the community, and we call it Cooking for One. So Cooking for One actually started as starting over socially. And the theory behind it was that widows and widowers, when they lose their spouse, have a hard time re-engaging in what will become their new normal. So what we wanted to do is create an environment where those individuals would feel safe, be around people that are similar experiences. This has been going on for about 5 years now. We meet the second Tuesday of the month at 11 o'clock at the Courtyard by Marriott. The chef there comes out, demonstrates how to prepare a meal, and then we all stay and have fellowship afterwards. The first time you come, we allow you to come for free. The program is if you stay and eat, it's $5 for lunch. We've had over 200 unique individuals come through, and we have anywhere from 24 to 32 on a monthly basis. Or last month when we did it, there was 3 new people there, first time ever. Society is closer knit than you think, but the communication challenge is still there, and we're just trying to find ways to get around that and get the information about the programs we have out in the community. So if you're interested in getting involved in the Cooking for One program, again, it's the second Tuesday of every month at 11 o'clock at the Courtyard by Marriott. So come out and join us. You don't have to RSVP. You can just show up, but mark your calendars for the second Tuesday of the month at 11 o'clock at the Courtyard by Marriott.